Hi, I'm Hannah Powell, and today I'm bringing you the weather from IHTN News Studios. So today, just looking at the general Cincinnati area, we can see that today it's pretty warm with temperatures around 70 degrees at 1 p.m. in the early afternoon, and then as the afternoon progresses, it's going to warm up a little bit more and the cloud coverage is going to clear away a bit, getting up to around 75 degrees. And then later on into the evening, it is going to start to cool down, getting to about 71 degrees. And then looking at the overall area of the Midwest, there's a warm front coming through, as you can see, and with warmer temperatures in Chicago, Springfield, and St. Louis. And then a little bit cooler down here in Cincinnati and Charleston, as you can see. And then looking at the cloud coverage and precipitation, you can see that there's a little bit of precipitation over here down in the southwest, and it's coming up through the south over here to the northeast. But generally, Cincinnati's looking pretty clear and sunny. And then looking at the temperatures a little bit closer in the Cincinnati and northern Kentucky area, it's a little bit warmer here, especially up in Laurel in the northwest. But then it's a little cooler down here in the Anderson, Batavia, and Mount Orab area. But generally, it's pretty warm in the high 60s and low 70s. And then looking at the weekly forecast, there's a little bit of cloud coverage on Friday with a high of 75 and a low of 51. Saturday, warmer with a high of 78, a low of 58. And then Sunday, we've got some rain and some thunderstorms with a high of 70 and a low of 56. And it's cooling down as the week goes on with a high of 67 on Monday and a low of 43. On Tuesday, 62 and 40. And Wednesday, a little more showers with a high of 62. And then Thursday, it's clearing up a bit, but still some cloud coverage with a high of 65. Again, this is Hannah Powell reporting for the IHTN News Studio.